screaming because guess who got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Shout out to my man. Anyway, let's get to unboxing this baddie up. If you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, you would know already how badly I've been wanting this, and I finally got it, and I've been screaming since I got it. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel, This Best with Bevlin, because the content is about to level up. See that face tracking? That is the #1 reason why we got this baddie. The vlogs are going to be immaculate.